the best thing Kim has given you so far? Ang daming tanong. Do
Oo.
you see a future with
Inisa
her?
na niya.
Hanip, okay. What makes you and Kim click?
Ah, siguro yung ano lang, yung comfortability namin sa isa't isa. Kasi maraming nagtatanong, ano ba, what's the secret ba to a love team, ganun-ganun. They ask us that. Sinasabi ko, we just trust each other. Hindi naman ito yung parang magtatrabaho lang tayo, tapusin na natin. Hindi ganun eh. It's more of, I trust you, let's do this. Parang,
So you and Kim, I'm just curious. I'm gonna go into this. You and Kim are good friends.
yes.
I mean, you are familiar with the Kim, Ma Salvador, Gerald Anderson experience.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, people tend to think that showbiz personalities aren't like real people. Do you ever talk about that? How she feels about it?
Hindi ko, I'm not in any position to talk about it eh. Para sa akin, we're just gonna do our thing, di ba?
Oh,
Yeah.
okay. All right. Carmela Tracy wants to know your reaction to the ongoing feud. Oh, sorry. Ayan, I asked na. To the ongoing feud between Kim, Ma, and Gerald.
Yeah,
You don't have a reaction.
No, I don't have a reaction.
Okay. All right. Do you see a future with Kim? That was the other question.
A future, oo naman, sana we can get to do more projects together. After ng bakit hindi ka crush ng crush mo, sana marami pang dumating sa amin. And we're thankful na 3 straight projects ginawa namin. And it was successful. So, yun, sana. With their help, yung mga supporters and following,
Okay.
hindi po nakasalala yun.
All right. Okay, this is from my Twitter account. My Twitter is very busy. Okay, it gets to the really mundane. Micaela's asking what's your favorite perfume? Ganon?
Nako, favorite
May ganon?
perfume ko is Aqua Fresco Fragrances.
Aqua, okay, okay. Josh Leo asks, what's your juicy secret routine every day? Do you run?
Yes, I do run.
Okay, how far can you run? Because you saw how, my God, Erwan Yusa,
Oo
Kim
naman.
Atienza, and Mateo Gudichelli.
Yun.
Look, man, I mean,
Hindi naman ako
Pretty
sa level na yun.
triathlete.
I'm not in that level, pero I love running sa mga fun runs. I run.
Oo.
But that's about it, mga
5K?
yeah, 5K, 10K, 21.
Wow! 21. Okay, I want you to still sing. Something from your first album.
Wala akong alam sa gitara ngayon eh. I wasn't
Okay.
able to prepare.
Oh, anything else in guitar? Go.